We've made pretty good progress over the last couple weeks. As you can see, the house has been covered with house wrap. The windows and doors have delivered. They're stored in the garage. Israel has just started to install them. Those are the first three. In addition, we poured all of the piers, so the chimney block was stacked, cut to height where necessary, and filled with concrete. And I put the bluestone on top of all the piers. Those pressure treated blocks are how we attach the posts to the piers. And then the chimney block obviously gets covered with stone. In addition, the rough plumbing is done, and rough electric is very close. So you can see all of the supply lines are now in place, as well as the PVC venting and drain lines. HVAC has started, so there's a thermostat line. They'll be running ductwork this coming week. Here's more evidence of the plumbing. And as you can see, the house wrap is covering all the window and door openings. That will get cut as they get installed, obviously. So we're placing the specific windows next to the openings that they go in. And all of the piers on the back have all been done as well. So this coming week will be, they'll start doing the decks as well as installing the rest of the windows and doors. Have a happy Thanksgiving.